Hello and welcome to the Can Protect study. This video will go over how to complete the self-ordered search task within the cognitive test battery. Please be aware that this video is meant only as a general guide to complete the cognitive test. What you see in this video will not be the exact same as the actual cognitive test, but will be very similar. What is currently shown on the screen is what you will see after you've started the cognitive test battery on the website and read through the initial instructions. To begin, the name of the cognitive test you are currently on is shown on the top left of the screen. In this case, the task is called self-ordered search. Near the top left of the test window, you will see an audio button. Clicking this audio button will turn off sounds for the cognitive test. If you turned off sound and wanted to turn back on, just click the audio button again. To the right of the audio button, you will see the number of chances you have left to complete the task. The number of chances you have initially starts at 3, and after every subsequent mistake, you will have one less chance. Once this reaches 0 to 3, you will have no more chances to complete the task, and you will automatically be shifted to the next cognitive task in the cognitive test battery. To the right of this, you will see a score measure. This score measure will go up or down based on your performance on the cognitive test. Please be aware that the way the score measure works in the video may not be the exact same as how the score measure works in the actual cognitive test. Below the score measure are written instructions on how to complete the test. Before you begin the cognitive test, it is important that you read through and understand these instructions. We will also demonstrate these instructions in this video. To the left of the instructions, you will see an animation that illustrates what the cognitive test will look like once you begin and how to complete it properly. Again, we will demonstrate this in greater detail in this video. Near the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see text that says Exit Test and Return to Study page. Clicking on this text will open up a window allowing you to exit the test and return to your study dashboard. This button is available throughout the entire test, meaning that you can exit the test whenever you want. After exiting the test, you can resume the test from the study dashboard as long as 50 minutes have not yet passed since starting the cognitive test battery. If you encounter any technical issues during this test, we encourage you to try exiting the test using this button and then resuming the test from the study dashboard. To officially start the cognitive test, use your mouse to click on the green button that says Begin near the bottom of the test window. After clicking Begin, a quick countdown will occur, allowing you to prepare for the cognitive test. Once the test is started, you will notice that there will be a certain number of boxes on screen, and that the number of boxes will be equal to the number of empty diamond placeholders just below. The objective of this cognitive test is to uncover a diamond each round without clicking on boxes for which you've previously found a diamond or that you've already checked. For example, we will start by clicking the box in the upper left-hand corner. You will know that you've clicked the right box because it will turn a lighter gray whether or not it has the diamond in it in that round. It appears that in this round, there was no diamond in this box, so we will move on to another box. Let's move on to this one. When we click it, we see again that, like the first box, the second box is empty this round. This means that the diamond for this round must be in the box in the bottom right-hand corner, so let's check it out. And we are correct. The diamond for this round can be found in the last box we've checked. We still, however, have 2 more diamonds to find as indicated by the number of empty diamond placeholders on screen. We know that there will be no more diamonds in the box in the bottom right-hand corner because we've already collected a diamond from that box. So let's check the other 2 boxes. We will start by clicking this box. It appears that there is no diamond in this box, so let's check the box in the upper left-hand corner. We have now found our second diamond in the series. At this point in the example, we've already found diamonds in the boxes on the upper left-hand side and on the bottom right-hand side. So we know that we have to click on the only box we haven't found a diamond in, which is the center box. Let's check it out. And we have found our last diamond. You know you have completed the set because the test window border will turn green and you will see a green check mark indicating that you've successfully collected all the diamonds in the set. Once you've completed the first set, you will notice that each subsequent set becomes a bit more challenging as more boxes will be added. Like before, we begin by clicking on any box on screen. It appears that we have found our first diamond for the set. Let's move on to another. It appears that this box is empty. For this round, I know that I should be selecting either the box in the top row or the box all the way on the left, because I have not checked those yet for this round, and because I have not found a diamond in them yet. But what happens if I do check a box for which I have already found a diamond or checked and found nothing? Let's click the box we have checked the first round where we found our first diamond. So if I click this box, I get the answer incorrect. You will know that you have clicked a box for which you have already found a diamond or clicked a box for which you found no diamond this round because the test window border will turn red and you will see a red cross mark. If this happens to you, do not worry. Please continue the task until you have no more chances. When you no longer have any more chances to continue this cognitive task, you will automatically be directed to the next cognitive test. This ends our video on completing the self-ordered search test. If you encounter any issues with the cognitive test, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Can Protect research team. The email can be found in the description below.